Meanwhile, the Delhi stray dog debate has a new twist. The Supreme Court has ruled sterilize, vaccinate and release all captured dogs. Animal lovers are now clearly celebrating, but public safety concerns still loom large.
And the strays of Delhi NCR have had their fates rewritten. A decision that brings supreme relief to animal lovers, but fuels fresh concerns for public safety. The much-awaited Supreme Court order is out. All stray dogs picked up must be sterilized, immunized and then released back. But there's one exception. Aggressive or rabid dogs will not return to the streets. They will stay in shelters.
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट और मैं उनका धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि उन्होंने बहुत ही साइंटिफिक तरीके से और बहुत ही धैर्य से सोच समझ करके उन्होंने ये वर्डिक्ट दिया है.
Adding on, the court has drawn a hard line on feeding strays. No feeding in public spaces, only in designated zones which are to be identified in every municipal block.
हम लोग डॉग्स को खाना कहाँ खिलाएंगे, हमें बस ये जानना है. अगर आप हमें डेजिग्नेटेड एरिया दे देंगे, मैं अपने कुत्तों को खुद वहाँ से गोदी से उठा के लेके जाऊंगी, मैं उनको वहाँ पर जाके खाना खिलाऊंगी.
Any violation will invite action.
ये बहुत ही अच्छा फैसला है और हम इसको 100% इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे.
The court also encouraged adoption of strays, urging citizens and NGOs to take responsibility.
मेरे हिसाब से इट्स अ वेरी बैलेंस्ड ऑर्डर. अच्छा ऑर्डर है. उन्होंने ये कहा है और सबसे बड़ी बात उन्होंने सारे स्टेट्स को इन्वॉल्व कर दिया इसमें. सुओ मोटो.
Dog lovers call it a balanced judgment. Some even promise to help sterilize, feed and manage the strays.
हम हेल्प करेंगे रेबीज डॉग्स और एनिमल पकड़ाने में.
But critics ask, who decides which dog is aggressive?
आप कैसे जजमेंट कर सकते हो कि कौन सा कुत्ता काटेगा और कौन सा कुत्ता नहीं काटेगा?
They argue shelters may be costly, but public safety is priceless.
शेल्टर बनने में हमें भी पता है कि टाइम लगेगा और उसमें करोड़ों रुपए खर्च होने हैं, मगर ये सिचुएशन और ये जो कंडीशन है ये सबके लिए सेफ्टी, इंसानियत सेफ्टी से ज्यादा नहीं है.
So while the court has chosen streets over shelters for Delhi strays, the question now is, will municipalities rise to the challenge? Or will the city's stray saga continue to chase its own tail? With Srishti Ojha and Shivani Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.
Meanwhile, this was an issue that had quickly gotten political. Let's take a look at what our political leaders said about the Supreme Court's order dated August 11th. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta initially welcomed the order, stating that the stray dog menace had assumed gigantic proportions, assuring her government would soon introduce a policy to implement the Supreme Court's order in a systematic manner. However, following public protest, she altered her stance and said she would act in accordance with the top court. Interestingly, RSS chief also commented on the issue, affirming that animals have the right to live, adding that stray dog problem in Delhi can only be addressed by regulating their population, not by confining them to shelters. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, too, criticized the Supreme Court's initial order, calling it a step back from decades of humane, science-backed policy.